Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss about cube roots. Today we shall discuss about cube roots. If the volume of a cube is 125 cm cube, what would be the length of its side? To get the length of the side of the cube, we need to know a number whose cube is 125. Finding the square root, as you know, is the inverse operation of squaring. Similarly, finding the cube root is the inverse operation of finding cube. We know that 2 to the power cube is equal to 8. So we say that cube root of 8 is 2. The symbol this denotes cube root. Consider the following. Cube root of 1 equal to 1, cube root of 8 is equal to 2, cube root of 27 equal to 3, cube root of 64 equal to 5, cube root of 125 is equal to 5, cube root of 216 is equal to 6, cube root of 343 is equal to 7, cube root of 512 is equal to 8, cube root of 729 is equal to 9, and cube root of 1000 is equal to 10. Cube root through prime factorization method. We will find its cube root by prime factorization method. Suppose 3, 3 is 5. 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5. 3 to the power cube, 5 to the power cube, or 3 into 5 to the power cube. Therefore, cube root of 3375 is equal to 3 into 5, that is 15. Similarly, to find cube root of 74088, we have 74088, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7 into 7, 2 to the cube, 3 to the cube, 7 to the cube, 2 into 3 into 3, 7 to the power cube. Therefore, cube root of 74088 is equal to 2 into 3 into 7, that is 42. Find the cube root of y8000. Prime factorization of 8000 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 5 into 5 into 5. Therefore, cube root of 8000 equal to 2 into 2 into 5, that is 20. Find the cube root of 13824 by prime factorization method. 13824. 2 into 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 3 into 3 into 3, that is 2 to the power cube, 2 to the power cube, 2 to the power cube, 3 to the power cube. Therefore, cube root of 13824, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, that is 24. True, state true or false for any integer m square less than equal to m cube. Cube root of a cube number. Now we'll find the cube root of a cube number. Find the cube root of 17576 through estimation. Here you see cube root of a cube number. If you know that the given number is a cube number, then the following method can be used. Take any cube number, say this one, and start making groups of 3 digits starting from the rightmost digit of the number, that is 857, 375. This is first group, this is second group. We can estimate the cube root of a given cube number through a step-by-step process. We get 375. 857 as the two groups of 3 digits each. First group 375 will give you the ones or units digit of the required cube root. The number 375 will ends with 5. We know that 5 comes at the unit place of a number only when its cube root ends in 5. So, to get 5 at the unit place of the cube root, now take another group 857. We know that 9 cube equal to 729, 10 cube equal to 1000. Therefore, 857 is greater than 729 but less than 1000. We take the ones place of the smaller number 729 as the tens place of the required cube root. So we get cube root of 857, 375 is equal to 95. Find the cube root of 17576 through estimation. The given number is 17576. Form groups of 3 starting from the rightmost digit 17576. 17576. In this case, one group is 576 has 3 digits, whereas 17 has only 2 digits. Take 576. The digit 6 is at its ones place. This one. We take the ones place of the required cube root as 6. Take another group, that is 17. Cube of 8 and 2 is 8 and cube of 3 is 27. 17 lies between 8 and 27. The similar number among 2 and 3 is 2 and 3 is 2. The ones place of 2 is 2 itself. Take 2 as tens place and the cube root of 17576, thus cube root of 17576 equal to root 26. In this way, you can find the cubes and cube root of any number. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.